What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the primer bulb on your lawnmower. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. Okay, so today we're going to be working on my old Briggs & Stratton Sprint lawnmower motor, but it's going to be the same process for pretty much any lawnmower. If you come down here to where your primer bulb is located, now these things, they do wear out over time. They usually either rip or crack, or when you push them in, they just don't rebound. The rubber just degrades over time. So to remove it, you're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. If you look on the side right here, there's these little ears, these little tabs right here, right there. There's one identical on each side. So what you do is you take your flathead and you're gonna push inwards, and then you're also gonna pull out towards yourself. And that little plastic ear just kind of pops out. You're gonna do that on both sides. Once you get them both started, you can take your needle nose pliers and just grab the bulb, and you should be able to pull out the whole thing. There we go. So I'm not sure if it's the gas that we're using now or the replacement primer bulbs, but these things only seem to last a few years. I have my replacement one right here. I'll go ahead and put links down in the description to this and the tools and supplies I use. I recommend going ahead and getting at least a couple of these because they do seem to wear out frequently, and without it, a lot of times your mower won't start. So if we look at our new primer bulb, they do come with a new plastic ring. You just want to make sure these ears are, the long part is facing towards the bulb. Then you're simply going to take it and you're going to line up the ears with those little holes on the side. And take your flathead and gently push it in, and you're gonna push it inward until those sides snap in. You can also use a socket. You just take it and it slips right over, and you can press it in. Now let's test it and see if it works. Seems like it's working good. And then our final test is gonna be see if we can't get it started. Alright guys, and that is how to replace the primer bulb on your lawnmower. Hopefully you found something in this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you can get my new videos. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care. Hi, Uda.